If you come across some permanent marker on your whiteboard, you can use one of your dry erase markers to help erase the permanent marker. Draw over the permanent, use your microfiber cloth, and it will come off. If you want to see a little bit closer, and there. Voila, no more permanent marker. So if drawing over the permanent marker with dry erase marker didn't completely work as you had hoped, you can always try the next tip, which is to use a white polymer pencil eraser. And with, again, a little bit of elbow grease, you can try and rub out the black or permanent marker that is on your whiteboard. And the last thing you can try is to use your whiteboard cleaner. Just spray over whatever's left from the permanent marker. Use your microfiber cloth, and you can wipe it right off. So that wraps up our tips and tricks on our whiteboard. If you have any more questions regarding your whiteboard, feel free to contact our customer service ninjas.